So you're thinking about having Crawl Space Ninja encapsulate your crawl space. Let's take a closer look at the 4 different packages to figure out which one is right for you. Let's look at the Platinum package. This package includes the following: a dehumidifier, an active ventilation system, sealing of your crawl space vents, air sealing the subfloor, soda blasting all wood surfaces in the crawl space, application of a disinfectant solution, installation of our Crawl Space Ninja 12mm vapor barrier, termite-resistant foam board insulation, and a water management system. People usually go with the Platinum package if their crawl space is a few years older and there is evidence of mold growing on the floor joists and no evidence of water intrusion. The first component of the Platinum package is the dehumidifier. Crawl Space Ninja exclusively uses April air dehumidifiers. Recognized as Energy Star's most efficient dehumidifier for 2022, these units set the standard for humidity control and energy efficiency. With intuitive digital controls, you can easily set and control the moisture inside your crawl space to reduce harmful airborne contaminants that impact your home's health, comfort, and structure. The next component is our active ventilation system. The active ventilation system provides air circulation in the crawl space using mechanical fans. They keep your home and crawl space free from potential harmful odors and gases that may build up. Sealing up the crawl space vents is the third component of the Platinum package. Sealing the crawl space vents is needed to help control humidity. Proper ventilation is just as important in crawl space encapsulation as humidity control. The fourth component is air sealing the subfloor. You want to make sure that the crawl space is sealed from the rest of the home. The reason for this is to help keep sodium bicarbonate out of the living space during the soda blasting process. This also creates an air barrier between the two spaces. After that, Crawl Space Ninja applies a disinfectant solution from Anna Beck. The solution penetrates the wood, killing the mold root system. Crawl Space Ninja will also install our 10-rated termite-resistant foam board insulation. Foam board is a great way to keep your crawl space comfortable. The foam board is applied to the walls in order to create a thermal barrier between the cold or warm wall and the crawl space. Next, we use our exclusive Crawl Space Ninja vapor barrier to encapsulate the crawl space to reduce water vapor intrusion in the space. This product is then mechanically attached to the walls with the Hilti GX3 gas-actuated fastening tool. We then use our high-performance, exclusive seam tape to seal the seams of the vapor barrier to complete our closed encapsulation system. Lastly, we install a water management system. Many homeowners are led to believe that just a sump pump is the answer to fixing a flooded crawl space. With the Platinum package, not only do we install a sump pump, but we include interior French drains and address any yard drainage issues. So that's everything that is included in the Platinum encapsulation package from Crawl Space Ninja. To learn more about all the Crawl Space Ninja encapsulation systems, make sure to visit us at crawlspaceninja.com.